Here I have Poco M2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do it, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change recording resolution, you can change its video quality, you can change its orientation, you can select sound source, you can select frame rate, you can also lock screen to end, you can show touch gestures, and you can show button taps. So in order to start this recording, just tap on this button once. This kind of menu appears, you can drag it across the screen. From here you can access settings, the ones that we've been in before. You can also access the folder with recordings and gallery. So to start recording, just tap on the red button and the recording starts immediately. So we're recording screen. By tapping on this red button once again, recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album, videos or screenshots and screen recorders. So recordings, I mean. And here it is. And from here you can share, edit, favorite your recording, delete it, or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.